Okay. Working here. We got it. Okay. Let's see here. Nice. Okay, so today or now, I'm gonna do a bit of more embedded stuff. So I got my Linux PC running a Marchi Linux SSH here, and here I have the Arduino Uno Q SSH. So it only has like 2 gigs of RAM, so it's a bit slower, but still microprocessor to give it a try, give it a tree. And yeah, let's see how it goes. And so it's updated, sudo apt update. Okay, so get some updates going. And what I want to do is so I built this package or project to deploy Flower federated learning, so like collaborative machine learning using only sharing the weights instead of the actual data, using the Flower framework. And I wanted to, and I set it up to be able to deploy to devices and have it working in a good way instead of so I have the quick start that I got from their documentation, and it works. And yeah, but that's only like on the one computer, so I set it up to like send it for the other to other devices. And yeah, so but yeah, so today I want to try to get it working on the Arduino Uno instead of the Raspberry Pi. And I had gotten it working originally on that one, on the Arduino Uno Q, but I want to get this working. I did a bit of work, so there's always a little bit of setting up to do. So we got this one and this one. Let's see, sudo apt get upgrade. Okay. In this one, okay, so we need to go into the repository, which is boilerplate. And again, we got the music by the Mr. Simon Orzel. Just kind of repeating. Now I got more than one song repeating, but see how it goes. And yeah. And then this one also CD. And I just use like the radical GitHub alternative to share the project with the devices. Just a bit easier than logging into GitHub. Here I need to. Okay. So first, I have like a bit of a README here. I don't need this. So take a few steps. Okay, so I need to. Oh yeah, I need to activate the virtual environment. So yeah, so been Activate. I need another one. Oops. Wait, I already made another one. This one. This one. Okay. So, this one. Source. Wait, okay, this one, source, and then activate here as well on the Linux PC. Activate. Okay. And we have 2 ready here. Yeah. And then this one. No, I need this one. This one. Yeah. This one, okay. So yeah, this one runs the super node, super link node. Yeah, it's kind of confusing. So we have this one. Okay. This one can be the Linux PC. No. I have to better. Might as well change this to my actual one. Okay. 286. Save. Okay. Yeah. So this is saying node 0 of 2 on the IP address of the server computer of the MacBook Air as the server, and then this one. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Arduino Uno, and then we go to the super link here. So it says, okay, activated node, and this one says it's like ready. Okay. And here we need to do fun distributed power run dot distributed. Try that. Okay, so that's running, and then we go to this, and then it should show each thing. But okay, round 1. But this one, last time I tried, it didn't work on the Arduino Uno because it's quite small. So maybe it'll work this time. But I feel like not only the RAM is small, but the hard, like the memory, or like the space is the capacity is low. So like trying to install packages that just say, oh no, it's only like 9 gigs on it or something. So okay, so that's working. This one successfully installed FL boilerplate to Arduino. Okay. Like, cause it needs to download the data set to test it, or like to train it and everything. And if it's not big enough to download it, this one, then it might just crap out. Okay, round 1. Let's see here. Round one, probably. Okay, push replies in this. Okay, so we have an error. Failed to send message, start time or end time for message ID is missing. So I think it just skips it. It'll keep going. We go here to what's readme. Okay. We can do another one. I want to see if there's like anything I can delete. Maybe that's why, but use available 4 gigs available. So, oh, actually, I want to CD. What's the file? Pull. Okay, it's up to date. I want to make sure there's not any updates. But this I can. Where's the message? Ask Claude Code. Maybe it'll have like a suggestion or something. And see what happens. So, yeah, Claude. And oops, this is the client script for the thing. Let's try. So I am this one's still going. And this one's still going. Sent successfully. This one. Okay. Let's see what it says. Mr. Cloud Gold. It's based on my exploration of code and the error message. This is a flower message TTL. Time to live error. On resource constrained devices like Q, this typically happens to system clock not synchronized. NTP might not be running. The clock drafted. Memory pressure, incomplete message instruction due to low RAM, flower version mismatch. Flower versions try to sync the system clock on Arduino. Cool. Install and sync NTP. Or if using system time sync sudo. Check flower versions on both nodes. Modify your super node startup to use a smaller batch size. That's probably the best idea. Modify your super node startup to use, okay. Add message timeout tolerance in your client. The message data meta handling already has defensive code, but you can add additional resilience by checking the message validity before processing. Let me check if there's a specific place we can add error handling. Restriction layer, not in your application code. This is a message TTL validation failure in the superlink supernode communication. Let most likely fix system clock. Okay. If the time is wrong, sync it. Verify. Okay, that's good. Try. Is it date? It's time today. No, it is wrong. It says it's 8:42, but it's actually 9:42 here. UTC +1 here. If the time is wrong, sync it. Sudo apt install y systemd time sync. Okay. Let's try it. This one. Yep. I mean, installing more things is probably not the best answer, but that's okay. And then do it. Do it. Okay. And then what was the next thing I wanted? Okay, and then try date. Okay, well. My computer wrong or what? Let's see. Date. No. So CET 9:45. So. Okay, well, next step. This could be a memory issue causing. If the clock was off, restart the supernode after syncing. Check available memory before starting. I think I'm just gonna try this one. Try this supernode. Okay, so this one's fine. This one. We can restart this one too. Restart this. This one. And here. Restart. So we're just saying smaller batch size, local epochs only 1. It probably will help. Yeah, looks like it's working. And stream and here, go down, okay. Okay, so that's good. And the the Arduino one didn't fail. Okay, and this was distributed. Okay, so that's good. Okay, it's loading. You can hear me? Can you hear me? Ah, nice. Okay, enjoy your daily. Okay, sweet. So it's loading. It's working. What is it doing? Did it crash? This one's good. No, it crashed again. So the still crashed, but I made it further. Okay. Sending message. Start timer, end time message ID is missing. And okay, back to here. Okay. So this one. Okay. And what else did the Mr. Claude say? Mr. Claude say, of course, off. Free space, kill necessary processes. That's good, yeah. That's one. Okay. This one too. Stop cups. Stop cups. Okay. This again. We can try this one. This. This one's going again. What's going on here? Okay, so this is doing something around 3. I guess it's because I turned this off. So let's just skip to the this one. Sending message. Okay. So stop this. This one. Stop it. I don't think I can keep it on, but oops. And this one. Start again. This one, I want to try batch size, I don't know, 2. Maybe that'll help. I don't need the stream, but it's okay. This one. Okay, round 1 of 3. And it worked better with like having a little lower batch size, so let's just keep trying. Coffee. Okay. So it failed to send message, but then it keeps still going. Let's see here. You're sending unauthenticated request to the HF hub. Please set the HF token to enable higher rate limits. Okay, still going. This one. Okay. Failed to send message, start timer and time, and then it sort of skips it. Okay. Okay, this one. Round 1 of 3, configure train sample nodes. Yes, allow. Let me look at that. Let's see several optimization opportunities. Okay. Sweet. So, okay, gotta get some AI stop TikTok to watch with stream while COD is working. Yeah, that's a good idea. And we say here, what also helps is to find a goal and ask Cloud to ask you questions about how to get there. Yeah. Also a good idea. Let's see what the response now is. Changes made. Okay. Auto detect low memory reads proc mem info to detect 4 gig RAM low memory. Ask me questions. Yeah, ask me questions. Okay, it's a good idea. Still getting errors. So it's Simon here says helpful is to find a goal and ask Claude to ask questions on how to optimize it. Okay. And let's look at what it did. One number of examples. Client. Okay. Low memory mode. Yeah, great music. Music's from Mr. Simon Orzel, the great Simon Orzel music. Yeah, nice. It's good background music. Good study music. Sick music, by the way. Memory optimized data loader settings constraint non-workers low memory mode. Okay. So you can ship this, and it's still getting errors if the time errors persist. That's likely the clock sync issue. Memory earlier. Run this first, and then restart the supernode. Okay, well, let's ship it. This one we can exit. This one's fine. Where am I? Okay, and then here, so we push it. And I'm using radical, so if it works, I might need to add. Start the radical node, I guess. This one. This one. Oh, that's annoying. Radical. think I'm just pushing to GitHub instead of the radical. Oh, okay. Okay, I started in rad no, but I needed to run rad off, and then git push rad main. Here, pull. Okay, what branch one is good? Branch main. Okay. Let's try this one. Oh. Okay, there. Now it worked on the Linux PC. Okay, now it worked. Just took a second, of course. It's not instant. So let's see here. What else we got? Cloud code. Okay, made some changes. Let's see. We can try again. Everything. This one. This one. Second, but should be fine. This one. And looks like it's working. And then here. This one. We'll just try it without the batch size reduced, just like normal here. Okay, and this one's running, right? Yeah. This one's running. This one's running. This one's going. This one. Okay, you can see here. Okay, node sample 2 out of 2. Okay, install boilerplate. And what did he said again? Hasn't failed yet. One of 3. This one, it's not, hasn't thrown error yet, so that's good. Okay, so it still failed. Exit this again. This again. Just back. Let's try that. Oh, I need to run this though. Hopefully it works. Okay. Let's run view, okay. Option 2, force low memory mode explicitly. True, okay. Right towards threads. So I guess it's doing the same thing. Okay. Exit this one. Exit this one. And it says to option 1, 4, and let's try this one. File low memory true. Okay. This one's going. And this one's. And let's try 4. No, it's stream. This we can check here. Yeah, okay. Tensor board enabled. And try the low memory mode in case it didn't work, or in case it didn't turn on automatically. Okay, ask. Ask me question. Ask me question. How to get there? Ask me questions. Okay, good approach, Mr. Cloud Code says. Okay. Okay. We sync the system clock on Arduino Q. So what versions are on all? Let's double check it. So this one too. Double check it. Arduino. 1.250, 1.250. Version 1.250. Same versions on all, different versions, same versions, no? Data set is fine, need later data set. Keep current is optimizing, loading. Yeah. Can Arduino reach the server over the network? Yes, test it. Yes. Okay. Okay, force an immediate sudo restart sleep. Okay, does that what does time says show? How are you deploying no changes to Arduino? Git pull from repo by no share file system install. Okay, check current date versus actual. Do you see sudo times set time American New York or your time zone? Sudo force and sync sudo systems restart system time sync sleep time date status. What is okay? Date date you same. What the time zone? My CET. And it says fixed time zone replaced with your actual time zone. Let's try this one. CT. Berlin. Berlin. Okay, and this. Local time, time zone. UTC. Synchronized system clock synchronized. Stop synchronized. UTC. C++1. Too many errors. Have to see. Set time. Time. Date STL. Time. Date STL. Set. Time zone. Set time zone. Your time zone with the command. This time zones. So yeah. Yeah, it's Europe, Berlin, but more difficult than I thought it would be. CET. That's this bullshit. It's Europe, Berlin. Okay, easy. Set time zone. Okay. Okay. Now it's set. Not sure if that's the problem, but okay. Now back to here. Okay. Git pull, git clones, sure. Yep. So I don't think that was a problem though. It's like if the clock was in sync, then sure, but let's start these again, maybe. But if it's just off by an hour, it shouldn't make that big a difference. So, okay, git pull. Yeah, I've done this. Set time zones. Treasury start. Okay. 4. Okay. Let's try again, I guess. Distributed 4, yeah, 4. It's like definitely pretty limited on the Arduino Uno Q, but I've done it before. And at the time, I think I just manually pushed like copy, like doing SSH copy into the devices. But the point is to like get this template working, so that I can use it more. It hasn't crashed yet. This one. Okay, and here. Round 1 of 3. Received error in reply from node. An exception was raised when attempting to load client app. Try this. Attempting client app. Yeah, it looks like the same message is being thrown. Okay. Just gonna restart the Arduino here. Maybe that'll work. We'll restart. This one's worked good. Okay, we can plug it back in. Yo. Okay, starting up the Arduino. Okay. Go back into it. And I think I sent this one. Can send this one to Mr. Claude. Okay, what is it saying? The error not changed. Now it's the client import load or not the timestamp issue. This means the Arduino. What was it saying? This one. Message start timing of message. This one is the one. This one. Okay. Not the timestamp issue. This means that Arduino is having trouble loading the updated code. Let's see the actual error. On Arduino, check the super low. Okay. Update the guy. Oh yeah, let's. What's the? Wait, I have to put this first. Linux one's still going, and this one. This one's going. This one's there. This one's connected. Let's try it again. Okay. It's like when I pulled it, like the Claude saying, make sure it pulled. When I did have updates, so must have. Okay, it's going. This one's going. Connect. Get run. Requesting run. Push from node. Not failed yet. And here. This one. Oh, this one. If I restart this one and to get some more errors here. Just restart this one too. Restart. Start. This one. Start. This one. Start. Created run, starting run, tensor board, logging. Probably this was okay. Check if clear memories and failed to send message. Start time and end time message. Deployment. Client app. Let's deactivate. Set up node message. Should I reinstall everything or just like make sure it's all up to date and all good to go? Okay. So it says it's going, but I guess it's because it's on the. They'll still use this one. Not this one. Not the Arch or the Arduino Uno stopped, but it'll still go on the Linux PC. Okay, we can delete this. So I'll create a new one, but if I delete it, then I can see if it gets created. No, just this one stopped. This one stopped. So we'll just restart everything. Restart everything. Okay, this one. Oops. Restart. This one. Start. This one. Super node. And then let's try to run it. I don't think it's gonna work. So here, okay, fitter average round number 3. Let's see if it's crashed yet. No, it hasn't crashed yet. Sending unauthenticated request to HF hub. Please set a agent token higher rate limits. Downloads. Hola. Nice. This one. Oh no, still start time and okay. Let's try to go. Everything is up to date from the push and pull. Confirmed from the group. Clear. We command. Maybe I can. Get flower. Ignore. Okay, loads. Maybe we can try to delete some of some stuff. I don't think I have too much there. Let's uninstall something. More questions. Almost at my limit though. Have to restart at 12. I think it said. Hope I didn't eat too much. If I can finish at least this task and give me some suggestions before the limit hits out. So I have the basic pro one. I guess it works for me as a solo guy here. Which test fails? What do I go? Let's isolate whether it's PyTorch, NumPy causing the issue on the Arduino. Run these. Okay. Okay. NumPy, okay. This one. The instructions. And this one. The instructions. That's the board. It says Qualcomm Dragonfly or something. Qualcomm Dragonfly. Well, I don't get my limit. Almost there. You're 95%. Okay. uninstall it, install it again. Had some like weird install from okay. Pips dependency resolver.